On question number 6, our equation is in the wrong form. So we need to convert it into the correct form so that we can read the information and graph the parabola. And in order to do that, I need to complete the square. And I need to complete the square on the squared term, which in this case is the x. So we see that we have an x squared here. We do not have a y squared. So I need to complete the square on the x squared term. So I need to have my x's on the left and any term that doesn't have an x on the right. Okay, so to complete the square, I need to take half of my coefficient of my x. So half of 6 is 3. And then if I square this, I get 9. And that number I want to add to both sides. The left-hand side will factor as a perfect square trinomial. So it's going to be x plus 3 squared. And the right-hand side is going to be 4y plus 8. And then I can factor the right-hand side. And it's going to be 4 times y plus 2. And now it's in the correct form. And I should be able to start reading my information. So x is the term that's squared, and 4a is positive. So because x is squared, I know it's going to either be up or down, and because 4a is positive, I know for sure it has to be up. My vertex is going to be -3, -2. And then my lattice rectum length, which is the width at the focus, I'm going to set my 4a equal to the number that's here. So that number is 4a. So the length is the absolute value of that. So this is 4. So to figure out my focus and directrix, I need to find what a is. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4 to get 1. Okay, -3, -2. This is my vertex. So to get the focus, I need to add a. So the positive direction is going up. So I'm going to add 1. And this will be my focus. And then I'm going to subtract 1 from the vertex. And that's going to be my directrix. So my focus is the point -3, -1, and my directrix is the line y is equal to -3. So my width at my focus is 4, which means I need to go 2 to the right and 2 to the left from my focus. And then I can graph it, and that will be my parabola.